Shahrukh Khan. Shahrukh Khan. Give your love. Thank you. Yes, nice look, nice look, madam. Look at Kriti. Kriti, look at Kriti, Kriti. Kriti ji, look here. Look this way. Kriti, look here. Right camera, right camera. Excuse me. सर थोड़ा सा जानवी जी मैम सेंटर या जानवी पिक्चर प्लीज जानवी प्लीज one picture ma'am big fan
Africa. I lived in Durban.
Oh, really?
I was in Durban for 6 months in 2014. I forgot the places.
2 lines for
Durban, Cape Town, Johannesburg.
Joburg, for sure. We're gonna go. Joburg, for sure.
Shout out to the people in Joburg.
Shout out to people in Joburg. Shout out to people in Durban. Shout out to people, all the ladies on Cape Town on the beach, baby.
And Kenya too. I'm from Kenya. Nice to meet you. I want to say your first IFA here in Abu Dhabi, you touched the feet of A.R. Rahman.
Yeah.
Today I want to shake your hand and say thank you for being an icon and an idol, for being a role model as well. And you have really turned out to be the person that you truly are supposed to be, Yo Honey Singh.
Thank you,
And
bro.
for that we want to say thank you. I'm from East FM Kenya, and I want you to give a bite for our music there and give us a one line of your song plus that too.
East FM Kenya. Yo, it's your boy Honey Singh, and you're listening to East FM Kenya.
I love you. Thank
Premier Asian Mix.
Thank you. Can you give us a one line of your favorite
And you know
jam?
what? You know what? All the girls in Kenya, especially, I performed over there long back, 2013 probably.
Correct.
Yeah. So I've seen all the girls over there, Indian girls over there, Pakistani girls over there. They got the best complexion. So this song goes to them.
Can I say hi to? Because I'm actually from there.
Brown रंग ने मुंडे पटते नहीं सारे मेरे टाइम
पाजी क्लोज पाजी कैसी परफॉर्मेंस होने वाली है प्लीज बताइए आज के
सरप्राइज
2 lines millionaires
Buddy, can we take a photo?
Fat cigars, pull up like a shake, chauffeured cars, dinner soon, the khane pe
Abdul
fucking millionaire.
Honey Paji, please, Paji, please 2 minutes. Please 2 minutes. Paji, selfie please. I got you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
पाजी शाहरुख खान ने
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उनकी परफॉर्मेंस देखने के लिए पुरानी यादें ताज़ा होने वाली हैं I'm too much excited bro
ओके अंदर करण औजला भी परफॉर्म कल आई
I want to see Karan I want to see Vicky Bhai to do that step on Tauba Tauba.
सर इंडिया में तो थोड़ा सा टिफ है, लेकिन बादशाह भाई भी आज आए हैं तो
बहुत मज़ेदार बात है, वो भी देखेंगे जरा.
आपके बारे में बात की थी, कह रहे थे कि मजा आएगा कल हनी बाजी सर बैठेंगे तो
हम भी बैठेंगे.
चलिए
थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू. चलो बाजी सर आइए.
There's alcohol, there's party, there's
हनी सिंह, हनी
There is one trend in the industry that bothers you, what is that? Anything about the industry that bothers you?
nothing bothers me.
हनी सिंह, हनी सिंह, हनी
What Diljit did is like tremendous, and especially being as a guy from a Sikh family, I feel so proud that he made it to international level. And as far as I know Diljit, I know him since 2009. We worked together on an album called Next Level. I composed that whole album. I lived with him for 1 year. So as far as his talent and courage and caliber concerned, reflects he can do anything.
हनी सिंह,
What has changed about Diljit? From then to now, what has changed about Diljit?
They say he's similar.
Is that what brings him success?
I think so, because he was so, he was just like this. He was same. All times he was so hardworking, so honest, so introvert. Never used to laugh too much, never used to talk too much.
हनी सिंह वर्जन 1 and हनी सिंह वर्जन 2, what is difference in that?
I have 158 versions. Better than your iPhone, baby. You are just
So you're millionaire. Millionaire.
Basha, we are through the borders have like fizzled out. What do you have to say about this? Because you do a lot of interactions about genres, languages. I think good music.
Basha, when you started to rap, the genre was not very interesting. What were the challenges?
बादशाह दिस साइड. ये हुई ना बात. बादशाह इधर भी लेना बात ना.
Dedicate for India today.
One song that I can dedicate for सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
And when are you coming for a concert to Delhi?
Oh, next year. इस साल सिर्फ देखने हैं मैंने कॉन्सर्ट. इस साल
How music has evolved in the age of social media.
so much. But good music stays good.
Bacha, one concert that you're really looking forward to.
Oh, there are too many. I'm looking forward to Karan, Diljit Paji.
Any
There are too many.
international artists?
ये अपने इंटरनेशनल ही हैं.
Basha, what's the difference? What's the character difference between Badshah and Aditya? Because Badshah comes across as a very flamboyant person.
आदित्य होता तो अभी उसमें आता चट्टी बनियान में आता.
Trust me, I think becoming the national crush for me is more important because everybody's like my performance rather than just looks. Because looks everybody has, right? So I'm very proud of my performance. I'm very proud of my education in my craft of acting. So I'm really glad that happened. Thank you.
Also, you made your debut with Love Ka The End, and you've had you have a great journey. But when you look back at your journey, how does that feel?
I guess sometimes you feel like crying, especially in the first days of Hira Mandi. I think it was very surreal, very overwhelming. I didn't really understand what was happening, and since your mind actually goes back to all the painful moments and all the rejection and all the downfall that you've had, you kind of well up. But I guess those are tears of happiness, I guess.
Of course, Hira Mandi 2 is gonna come, and your character is kind of like, is he there? Will we see you? What's it like?
God knows.
Give us some goss.
What makes Abu Dhabi an iconic filming location?
It's my hometown, first of all, so that's definitely iconic. More than that, I guess the Abu Dhabi Film Commission is always there to support everybody, and that's the most important part. I've met them. We have something coming up together very soon. I think most of all, it's the inclusive nature that everybody has here, and wanting to create something great. I think that's what makes Abu Dhabi great. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum, namaste, thank you so much South Africa, lots of love, and I hope that I continue to keep making you proud and entertaining you for the rest of my life. Thank you so much.
One is for India.
Thank you. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Hi,
yes.
Taha, what do you have to say about Dubai? What do you feel when you come back? Because you're from here.
I feel, it's home. So every time I come back home, it's like, it's like a new, fresher breath. It's like you come back to rejuvenate, and then you go back to like attack the world again. So so Dubai kind of gives me that kind of feel, where I'm going back to my family, going back to my friends, and just trying to make everybody proud. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Sir, Moby sir, left. Moby sir, this side. Moby sir.
I have not seen so many movies, so.
Hey Ajay. Camera क्या so can you photo this?
मैं क्वेश्चन ही पूछ रही हूँ। मेरे को पूछना कुछ और था ना, कुछ नहीं पूछा। ऐसे कैसे हो गया?
Basha, the selfie, Basha. क्या बात है? बादशाह भाई ये फोटो सर, यहाँ पर एक फोटो है।
बादशाह भाई इधर। थैंक यू। बादशाह भाई इधर।
बादशाह भाई एक गाना बादशाह भाई क्या वेयर इज द मार्क?
बादशाह भाई इधर देखें, इधर।
बादशाह सर सेल्फी।
Now that we're talking about Indian movies, when it comes to Indian movies, now we have moved from Hindi fraternity to becoming a pan-Indian state, pan-Indian nation. What do you have to say about this kind of transition and the... This is a good time to be an actor, right? Or an actor? What do you have to say about like...
Priyamani.
Yes.
Please come.
Orange is glad actually.
Kriti on this side. Kriti, please here. Kriti, one bite, only one bite. Kriti.
Separately shot. No, for Ganesh ji.
Sir, a message for all your fans in South Africa.
Gulshan sir, this side. Prabhu sir, this side. Prabhu sir, Gulshan sir, this side.
Nora, look here, Nora. Nora, look here. Nora, यहाँ पर Nora. Nora, send the camera. Back to front. Nora, how are you? Nora, wait. Michael, one back to front. Oh my God.
Karan sir, Fawad Mustafa. Fawad Khan की मूवी आ रही है।
मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा होता तो यहाँ थोड़ी होता, अंदर होता, तैयारी कर रहा होता. I'm here to clap, cheer and enjoy the performances of all my wonderful colleagues, seniors and juniors.
Whose performance are you looking for?
Can I be honest? It's a little politically incorrect to say this, but I'm a huge Shah Rukh fan. So for me, more than the performances also, I enjoy his hosting because I'm waiting to see the moment where he goes completely off script, starts improvising, cracks jokes and fires arrows in all directions and lights the stage on fire. So,
Gen Next
Shah Rukh fan.
Gen Next is also performing.
That is right.
Who's your favorite?
I think they're so good. The caliber of the talent in Gen Next is so high that they surprise me every time. Every time I feel I look at a performance and say, oh my God, wow, you know, this kid, this younger colleague of mine is doing so well, and then somebody else comes along and then blows your mind with another performance. I think they're at another level.
So if you had to talk about your contemporaries and the Gen Next, what joins them and what's the difference between them?
I think what puts us together or links us together is our love for cinema. What sets us apart is the degree of professionalism, focus and commitment and preparedness that Gen Next comes with. They don't say that, okay, let me just jump in and then I'll figure it out along the way. They come in 100% prepared and ready, and that's why they're rocking the world. Cheers, guys. Real quick, guys. UAE is a second home to us, and Abu Dhabi is such a gracious host. So we thank the visionary leaders here to allow us to celebrate our Indian film industry with so much pomp.
Come together, yes. Come together, yes. Look at both of you. Right side. Vivek sir, this side, both of you. Vivek bhai, यहाँ पर देखो सेंटर में. Vivek sir, what time again? Thank you sir, thank you.
इसको एंजॉय करने आए और
मैं पूरा अवार्ड शो एंजॉय करने आया हूँ. मैं इसमें फ़र्क नहीं निकाल सकता कि कौन सा इवेंट बेस्ट होगा, कौन सा, क्योंकि पूरा आईफा अवार्ड शो ही सबसे बेस्ट है. तो मैं पूरे शो को एंजॉय करूँगा.
सर, आपके गाने को इतना प्यार मिला है, आनंद गाना है, क्या कहना चाहोगे इसके बारे में आप?
कभी कभी कोई चीज़ ऐसी बन जाती है, ये भगवान की मर्जी होती है. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी बन जाती है. मैं बहुत लंबे अरसे से म्यूज़िक लाइन में हूँ, गाता हूँ, लेकिन कब कैसे कोई चीज़ बन जाए, मिल जाए, तो ये तो उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. मुझे खुशी है इस गाने की. ये गाना पार्डन
एक बार ये गाना गा सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल गा सकता हूँ, क्यों नहीं गा सकता. हो चारे पासे रवा पै गया, हो चारे पासे रौला पै गया, जदों मारिया गंडा सा हथ जोड़ के, खून दे तराले चल दे थल्ले सुट ले घटौणा नूं मरोड़ के. शेर जिगा रोब जट दा, शेर जिगा रोब जट दा भी थल्ले रखदा पुलिस सरकारी. अर्जन वैली हो पैर जोड़ के गंडासी.
सॉरी सर, क्रेजी फर्स्ट टाइम लाइव सुना सर.
थल्ले रख दे पुलिस सरकारी, अर्जन वैली हो पैर जोड़ के गंडासी मारी.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir.
From Raja Ki Aayegi Barat till now, Mrs. Chatterjee, how much do you feel cinema has changed or evolved?
I sure have changed. I was 17 then and now I'm like 46. So yes, there has been a lot of change. And of course, audiences have changed over the decades. And what is constant, I would like to believe, is their love for me. And I can't pray for more, because the kind of love and support and the unconditional love that I've received from them over the years, that has kept me going. So I thank my fans from the bottom of the heart to help me strive harder and help me to keep bettering my skills.
Rani, as a actor was doing music, which we
Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, we used to believe that we need more female actors or we need more producers to back these kind of movies and to make these movies.
Yes, I think also the responsibility lies on the audience. The more the audience will go and see these films, the more of these films will be made. Yes.
Ma'am, but you know, do you think the audience will also change with these kind of movies? The kind of production that we've seen. We're seeing a lot more women-led movies. Fantastic. Do you think the audience will change?
Of course, like like from time immemorial, we've seen films that Nargis ji have done. Madhubala ji and Nutan ji. They've all done films which were always very much based from the woman's point of view. So it's not as if it's the first time that something like that has happened. It's been happening through the years, through the decades. But every decade there will come a time where people will prefer a certain kind of film for some time. But it's not as if that's the thing that keeps going on. So the audiences are eclectic. They like a different spread of films and ideas and stories. And what I have seen with my experience is, you give an audience a film with your heart. If you're true to the genre and the film, it works with the audience. So I think it's important to always choose a script. That's what I do because I can speak for myself. I like to choose a script that resonates with me as a woman, as an Indian woman. Something that I can play and show to the world that what Indian women are all about. Also a film that inspires and is aspirational, because in our everyday lives we need a story of a hero, to inspire us and to feel good about ourselves, because we also want to better ourselves with each day. So especially if I take Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, for me as a mother it was an eye-opener. For me as an Indian it was an eye-opener to understand the plight of immigrant Indian women outside of India. We don't get to hear such stories. We do hear of immigrant stories, but this really should be, because it was about bringing up young children. And the question that was asked as to why an Indian woman can't raise her children the way she wants to was something that should be. Because we all women are the same when it comes to our children. We want the best for our children. And no mother in her right mind would do anything which would be detrimental to a child's growth. So for me that was shocking. It was an eye-opener, and I wanted the story to reach as many people. And today the fact that Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway is nominated, my character is nominated, speaks volumes of the fact that globally the film has been accepted and people have not only related with Devika's character, but they've also given so much love, and that's why I'm here today.
Ma'am, as a mother, there's one quality you would like to borrow from your character from Mrs. Chatterjee.
So, Devika is very much like my mother. So I'm already imbibing qualities of my mother.
Rani here, please. Rani here, please.
Yeah, anyone center here? I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. What friends are please. Left camera, left camera.
Rani ma'am.
Rani ma'am, just a picture.
Sir, look here, sir. Sir, यहाँ पर Randeep sir. All of you look here. Wait.
Birthday to Ranveer.
Thank you.
Sir, next mark, sir. आगे का बर्थडे
अरे यार मैडम हाथ के पीछे कर ले। विकी भाई इधर। विकी सर विकी भाई विकी सर मैम अब मैं
कैसा देख रहे हैं आप इंटरनेशनल
जयपुर is such a nice place. Finally, India में वापस हो रहा है because usually IFA हमेशा happens in international destinations. So we are all very happy.
अभी आप मिस यूनिवर्स से भी आएंगे जयपुर में।
Yes, yes. आप जयपुर से?
नहीं, we were the partner. How do you like अभी मिस यूनिवर्स से देख रहे हैं?
I think we've got a great winner. And I mean, you know, I love pageants, and I think the decision, which whatever was made, was extremely right decision, the correct decisions. Whereas all the girls were really deserving, but at the same time, I do feel that we are all set for Miss Universe.
Because you're very big on social media, get a lot of love, but at the same time you get a lot of hate. How do you deal with that?
I think, you know, this is something which is byproduct of our work. It is a byproduct of whatever we put into. But one should, you know, I always recite this quote by Bhagavad Gita कि कर्म करो और फल की इच्छा मत करो, और जो आपके बारे में नेगेटिव बोलते हैं उसकी भी आप इच्छा मत करो।
कल की परफॉर्मेंस किसकी आपको सबसे बेस्ट लगी?
कल की परफॉर्मेंसेस में से सभी की अच्छी लगी, DSP की बहुत अच्छी लगी।
हाथ से
उर्वशी जी यहाँ पे देखिए ना, यहाँ पे यार उर्वशी जी यहाँ पे डालो चाहिए ना उर्वशी जी मैम यहाँ डालो चाहिए मैम यहाँ पे डालो चाहिए, यहाँ पे देखिए ना।
उर्वशी जी यहाँ पर देखो,
उर्वशी जी यहाँ पे
उर्वशी जी, ब्यूटीफुल।
मैम इधर आइए थोड़ा।
once more मैडम, once more। इधर वापस दो मैडम को। उर्वशी यहाँ पर ब्यूटीफुल। लक्ष्य फोटो। थैंक यू मैडम।
आज भी 10 लोगों को बोल चुका सबको यही बोलता है।
आप सुन लो, किसी को भी बोलना नहीं।
आज मैं बिल्कुल जाकर सुन नहीं सकती।
Yes. Wait. Sir, excuse me. This is Nora. Here. Yes.
Nora, one bite please. Nora, please one bite. Nora only one. Nora, please. निखिल सर आइए। मैम के साथ निखिल सर यहाँ पर। सर थोड़ा सेंटर में ही नहीं रुको, फर्स्ट पोज ऑन दे। वो तो भी लिख दिया निखिल सर यहाँ पर।
मैम सेंटर दिखे ना, मैम सेंटर
सर यहाँ पर।
सेंटर।
थैंक यू मैडम।
यहाँ पे रुकिए यार, कहाँ ना सबको सेंटर से
नाइस निखिल सर। हाँ इधर निखिल सर यहाँ पर। ब्यूटीफुल सर, थैंक्स सर। 3 मार्क करो। मैं हाथ पीछे ले लो बस।
मैम यहाँ पे देखिए।
रकुल जी यहाँ पर देखो।
यहाँ पे मैम सेंटर।
नाइस लुक मैडम। रकुल जी यहाँ पर
This way, please. Please, this way.
रुको रकुल जी रुको। नो पासिंग नो। बोलिए रकुल जी नो पासिंग।
मैम यहाँ पे।
रकुल जी लुक यार। वेट। रकुल जी यहाँ पर देखो। रकुल जी यहाँ पर।
This way, please. This way. Front of you.
रकुल जी यहाँ पे राइट में देखिए।
बाय रकुल जी।
रकुल मैम।
Yes. Thank you.
मैम रणबीर सर का बर्थडे है।
रणबीर कपूर का बर्थडे
Yulia, can we? Yulia, when you sing a few lines, you sing beautifully.
Yes,
Please. Hindi song.
Hindi, of course Hindi. Of course Hindi.
Is it Latia Kale?
Yeah, because it's as per my own film, but yeah.
What did Salman have to say about it?
Being nominated, he was just like, he's very happy, and yeah, I wish he was here.
But do we see you with Salman anytime soon?
No, I don't know. Okay. Is it challenging carrying forward your no, it's not challenging, but yeah, I mean, it's great. It's a blessing to have, you know, such a family, big family like CBI. Thank you.
Karan bhai.
One selfie.
Bye.
Thank you, मैम।
बाय मैडम। बाय। देखो भाई यहाँ पर देखो।
भाई यहाँ पे कॉर्नर पे।
थैंक यू ब्रदर। थैंक यू ब्रदर। बाय एक सेकंड फोटो। सर एक मिनट। थैंक यू भाई। थैंक यू भाई। दिस साइड। बात नहीं हुआ ना, कौन आया? लेट लतीफ। शिवा मैम भी हैं। सर मैम को बुलाइए।
चले हो गया
एक सर एक डायलॉग हो जाएगा। ये डायलॉग हो जाएगा।
क्या डायलॉग यार?
सर एक बार हो जाएगा। क्राइम पेट्रोल।
सिंपल मुलाकात होगी थोड़ी देर में, तब तक सावधान रहिए, सतर्क रहिए।
सर पैसे वाला हो जाए। सोलो
बाजी इधर।
सर बाजी
दिस साइड। मेलविन द ग्रेट।
बाजी सोलो।
बोता भी लुक गया।
सेंटर।
हाजी भाई दिस साइड। अब तो लेट्स गो।
No.
Oh. Okay.
So how challenging was the way forward?
It wasn't. It was just came from my heart, soul, and everything that. Then we gave it to Vicky, and we did it. So we just
What is
gave
the
it.
what is the one best thing that you like about Vicky Kaushal? One best
His simplicity. I think he's such a beautiful human being, and that comes and showcases in his work.
Would you agree? Would you agree that Kareena plays a major role in making Footstep very popular?
Absolutely. Look at what is happening.
And who's the easiest one to teach dance to?
Ranbir Kapoor.
And also Jhume Jhu Patan, you work with character, like, and you enjoyed exactly,
Yes,
right? So how did you think
It is always a great experience because he just makes you feel so special, and then what he delivers, and look at how it's celebrated all over the world.
So what sets Ranbir what sets him apart from other actors when it comes to dance?
Just his charm. I guess that's beautiful.
It's easier for you to make him dance.
Absolutely. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you.
Madam, look here.
Ma'am, your right side.
Last corner, last corner.
Your right side, ma'am, right side, ma'am.
Madam, look here. Madam, yeah.
Ma'am, your right side here. Start from right side.
Look here, both of
Yeah,
you.
this camera first. Yeah.
Look here. Thank you.